Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to present to you a beet salad. This salad consists of corn, pickles, smoked ham, marinated beets and marinated celery. It is a wonderful treat with some sourdough bread. And as you can see those beautiful colors, when you put it on a plate and you have some guests over, this salad will present itself beautifully. Welcome again. Beets and celery salad. So you will need a celery chopped in brine. If you cannot find just the celery itself, you can buy one with carrots, shredded beets, cucumbers in brine, and those you can find in any international stores or European stores. I live in Florida in a smaller city and I still have few of those stores that carry those. Not that hard to find. And organic corn, as 90% of corn is genetically modified. This hickory smoke, make sure you have a smoked ham because that smokiness gives this flavor that you want in that salad. Honey ham is really good with it. I just couldn't find any. And mustard, mayo, salt and pepper, and that's what you need for that salad. So I have those two dishes here because I want all the juices out. In order for my salad not to be too wet, I need to discard the extra juices in here. I will cut up the cucumbers. And you will need another dish for all the ingredients to go in so you can later mix it all up. When we have friends visiting with us from Chicago, this salad is very popular. They do enjoy it. I can serve it as an appetizer when I have guests, or the next day when I have leftovers, my husband and I eat it for lunch. Just make our sourdough bread, toast it, and salad already has ham in it. It's like vegetables, ham and bread. What else do you need for lunch? It is a perfect lunch then. So I will slice my ham. That honey ham from the bone is the best. And my corn, and of course I want to discard the water inside of it. If you have your ingredients wet, make sure that you squeeze the extra juices out, otherwise your salad will be very soggy. And here are my beets with celery. So as you see, the celery is like noodle, kind of spaghetti noodle. So I need to make them a bit smaller. Beets are very healthy for you, very good for your blood cells. My children love beet soup, red borscht. Ask me, Mama, we want red borscht, the red soup. That's the next video, delicious red borscht. Salt, pepper, mayo, mustard, mix it all up and it's about done. How fast? So here we go. Always taste your food to make sure it is salty enough and spicy enough. My mom doesn't like spicy things, so for her everything is always too spicy, when my husband and I love spicier foods. So always taste your food, be the judge. And here, if you wish, you could add some fresh parsley to it. And that's it. Salad is done. So mix it up and taste. My problem is that I love this salad so much. I keep tasting and tasting and tasting, and by the time it's lunchtime, I'm not hungry because I already ate. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Well, I have to say that you have to like beets. If you don't like beets, well, probably the salad is not for you. I like the sweetness with the sour pickle. It does play with my taste buds. Enjoy it. Hi Jacob, what you doing?
Waiting for the Halloween decorations.
I have something, maybe you will try it.
Ew, what's this?
It is a beet and celery salad.
Ew.
No?
What can I say? I tried. Kids are very picky, but more for me today. That salad has so many different flavors. So the smokiness from the ham, sweetness from the beets, and the sour pickle, all mixed together. It is very interesting. It is one of my favorites. Smacznego. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit.